Bench testing in 1959-1960 Cadillac power antenna. Manufacturer Pioneer. Serial number PW06282025. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retract. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. Test number 4, mast to radial continuity. Test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retract. Again, test number 1, mast extend. Test number 2, mast retract. Test number 3, mast insulated from ground. Using a digital continuity tester, see we have continuity at the ground. And to demonstrate that we have an insulated mask, the mask is floating in the housing. We'll touch the mask with the other end of the digital continuity tester, and we see we have no tone. So the mask is floating in the housing or insulated from ground. Test number 4, mask to radial continuity. We have our probe on our digital continuity tester set on the mask wire feed back to the radio. And we see when we touch the mask, we have continuity through the mask to the antenna feed to the radio.